Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to see a topic matrix. Matrix is a rectangular array. The horizontal elements called as a row, vertical elements called as a column. This is the example of matrix. Matrix is a rectangular array. The horizontal is called it as a row. Vertical elements call it as a column. For number of rows, it indicates as m. For number of column, it indicates as a n. Next, we are going to see order of the matrix. The order can be expressed in terms of m cross n. M is the row, n is the column. For example, we consider a matrix. The number of row is 2, number of column is 3. So it is called 2 cross 3 matrix. Here the number of row is 3, column is 1. This is 3 cross 1 matrix. Here number of row is 2, column is 2. 2 cross 2 matrix. Next, we are going to see the types of matrix. First one type is row matrix. This matrix consider only one row. Example, this matrix contains only one rows, but it have many columns. Second type is called column matrix. This matrix having only one column. Only one column. Example is this matrix contain only one column. Next, we are going to see square matrix. For square matrix, the number of rows equal to number of columns. That is m equal to n. For example, number of rows equal to number of column, then matrix is called the square matrix. Example, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. It is called 3 cross 3 matrix. Next example, 2 rows 2 column. This is called 2 cross 2 matrix. Next we are going to see diagonal matrix. This matrix contain only diagonal values only. Remaining values are 0. Next we are going to see the scalar matrix. This matrix also a diagonal matrix. The diagonal matrix having the value of all the values of the diagonals are equal, then it is called scalar matrix. All the values in the diagonal matrix are equal is called scalar matrix. For example, the diagonal values are equal, the remaining values will be 0, then it is called as a diagonal matrix as a scalar matrix. Next matrix is a identity matrix. That is the other name is called a unity matrix. This matrix consider all the diagonal values should be in 1, remaining values will be 0. All the values in the diagonal should be 1, remaining values will be 0. This is called identity matrix or unity matrix. All the diagonal values should be 1. Next matrix is 0 matrix or null matrix. The elements in the all the rows and columns are 0, then it is called as a 0 or null matrix. Example, all the values of 0, then it is called 0 or null matrix. Next, the transpose matrix. Transpose matrix means the row will be changed to column, the column will be changed to row, then it is indicates A transpose. For consider the A matrix, the value should be 1 3 1 2 4 3, then the A transpose matrix should be the row will be entered as a column, the column will be entered as a row. 1 3 1 is a row, they entered as a column matrix 1 3 1 2 4 3. It is called A transpose matrix. Then it is called a triangle matrix. Triangular matrix, it has 2 types. One is lower triangular matrix, next one is a upper triangular matrix. The lower triangular matrix having this is the diagonal values. The above diagonal values we have 0 value, below the diagonal values we have the values. That is called the lower triangular matrix. Above value is a 0, below the diagonal we having some values. This is called lower triangular matrix. Next, upper triangular matrix, we have the examinal. A, B, C will be the diagonal value. Below the diagonal we have 0, the above the diagonal we have the values. This is called upper triangular matrix. These are the types of matrix.